Okay, we have a 21 by 120 Clausing-Colchester engine lathe, model 8118. Again, it's a 21-inch. Serial number 80073-02068, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has inch and metric threading capability. A D111 CAMLOCK spindle with a 3 9/16 hole. It has, the RPM is from 18 to 1400 RPM. This is a lower RPM right now. Forward and reverse. It has a brake. Machine also comes equipped with a 2-axis Fagor digital readout, taper turning attachment, 4-jaw chuck, 3-jaw chuck, 2 steady rests, and a tool post. Going a little bit faster. Forward and reverse. All right, we're going a little bit faster. It's 43 RPM. All right, a different range. 100 RPM. Machine also does have a thread dial indicator, micrometer carriage stop. Waves are in nice shape. And that's a bit faster. Yep, you engage the half nut and we're threading. You can see on the digital readout that the carriage is moving. Now he's feeding. You can also see on the digital readout. Cross feed. Okay. The other direction. And the other direction of the longitudinal feed. So you've seen it feed in both directions and also cross feed both directions. Threading, that's your tailstock. Your tailstock's number 5 Morse taper. That's a live center in there. Again, there's a 3-jaw chuck on the side of it. You have the 2 steady rests on the bed, and you have the taper turning attachment. Okay, waves are nice. Thread dial indicator. All right. Thank you for watching our video.